Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to download and install Google Classroom application on your Android device. Whether you are using mobile device or tablets, this process will guide you through the steps. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open Google Play Store. Now, tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type in Google Classroom. In the search result, tap on the install button right next to Google Classroom to start the download process. Wait for the app to download, and once it does, click on Open. And that's how you easily download and install Google Classroom on your Android device in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.